Risto, long time no see. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too, Risto.
What's your activity now?
I work as a secretary in a company now.
Secretary? What you do as secretary?
The secretary is picture how represented by this company. Specialist is director of the company, showing a secretary professional that is not easy now. This is also common for carry or the network, administrative duties, or professional duties from this is supervisor. So I have to understand the job description as a secretary so that my perform is good in activity and the target by step the company.
Whoa, you are really going great.
Thank you, Risto.
Does the job much personality, Rizja?
Yes, I think it suits my personality very well because I like working in the time. We work it in the time we can learning the understand the way of working of the people for in the time. Uh, Visit O2 trying to be responsible for give the job.
It fits you well, Rizja.
Yay, daily dice.
So, what are the future plan?
I want under job with my experience working in the company with I intern to build a side business to add to my experience again.
Oh yeah, good luck.
Yes, thank you Risto. Good luck too.